Hey guys, today we are opening these 3 surprise eggs. Let's start with the yellow. Ooh, we got 3 lollipops, different colors. We have blue, that's nice. We got green. We have 2 greens and another green. This one is an egg, a blue egg, and 2 green bunnies. Since we have 2 green bunnies, let's open one of the bunny. Nice. This would fit in my pinky. Next, let's open the blue surprise egg. We got another 2 green bunnies, lots of bunnies, and 1 pink egg, lollipop egg. I think I like this one. Let's open this one. Looks yummy, but I can't eat it right now. I will eat this later because I'm still fasting. Okay. Now we're gonna open the rainbow corns, baby mania. Look at this, so cute. Oh, very cute. Oh, let's see if we have her name here. Oh yeah, here we have the names. Here we have the names, and what we have is, I think we have Sleeper. So we have, let me double check if it's really Sleeper. Is it? Oh yeah, it's Sleeper because it has the silver heart in the front. Oops, my pen is not working. So we have Sleeper. Cute. I wish there's a sling here at the back so I can put this in my bag. That'll be so cute. And very soft. Ooh, shiny. It's cute, but you can also make, it's easy to make a sling here or tie. Yeah, Sleeper. And that's off. Oops, and that's off. Oh, I didn't notice the butterfly. That's nice. I forgot to open the stickers. I love stickers. We got 2. Perfect. Now I can stick this on my locker. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.